Put garlic under your pillow and see what happens. Everyone is familiar with the pungent flavor of garlic. It adds zest to innumerable savory dishes. It's also quite healthy, with complex carbohydrates and proteins, plus vital minerals and vitamins like vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Eating garlic on a regular basis can help to ward off heart disease and other cardiovascular diseases, as well as metabolic disorders like diabetes. The instantly recognizable smell of garlic comes from the allicin, a sulfur compound. It makes garlic excellent for treating infections because it can kill some types of virus more efficiently than antibiotics, and without the nasty side effects. Garlic also contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that support optimal function of all of the body's systems. But we're not done yet. Garlic improves blood flow, lowers cholesterol, and even helps prevent premature aging by reducing oxidative damage. With all the benefits of eating garlic, why on earth would you put it under your pillow? As it turns out, there are several reasons. Read on to find out what happens when you stash a clove or two under your pillow at night. Number 1. You will breathe better. One of the ways that garlic helps you overnight is that it can clear blocked nasal passages. The allicin, when breathed, thins mucus so that it drains. Your breathing will improve, which in turn makes it a lot easier to fall and stay asleep. If simply placing a clove or two of garlic under your pillow isn't enough, you can make a garlic steam to breathe before bed. Simply place 3 to 5 crushed cloves into a pot of boiling water, turn off the heat, and then inhale the steam. Be careful not to get so close to the pot that you burn your face. 2. You will get sick less often. Garlic is also a potent antibacterial and can knock out common germs before they make you sick. They can also help shorten the duration of a cold or flu. Researchers think this is because allicin is able to block 2 groups of enzymes that allow infectious microbes to survive in a host body. Sleeping with garlic under your pillow regularly can help ward off passing germs, but you might want to add more to your diet if you actually catch that cold. Number 3. You'll get a better night's sleep. Sleeping with garlic under your pillow is a holistic remedy for insomnia that has been used for ages. It's counterintuitive to think that a smell as powerful as garlic could be calming, but it works. Smelling the allicin in garlic can help you fall asleep and stay asleep so that your rest is truly restorative. Beyond sleeping with garlic under your pillow, eating more of it can increase your intake of magnesium and potassium. These 2 minerals play a vital role in sleep by working synergistically to relax your muscles and produce a chemical called GABA. GABA is the body's signal that it's time to calm down, and it chills out your brain cells so that they can begin the restorative work that happens overnight. 4. You'll naturally repel bugs. If you've ever worried about a spider crawling into your mouth while you sleep, or woken up with a bunch of mosquito bites, you'll appreciate having some extra protection under your pillow. Garlic is toxic to bugs and they know it, so having some under your pillow naturally discourages them from joining you in bed. In fact, some people use a garlic and water spray to repel bugs in the garden. But for the purpose of repelling insects, eating garlic doesn't seem to be as effective. Mosquitoes especially are attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale, and of course that occurs no matter what we've eaten. A couple words of caution. One thing to remember if you have dogs or cats is that garlic is toxic to them. If your pets get on your bed and are prone to swiping food, it's best not to leave garlic under your pillow when you're not there. A small amount of garlic in a meal will probably not sicken a pet, but an entire clove certainly will. In any case, it's better for the effectiveness of garlic as a sleep aid to use a fresh clove each night. We also recommend wrapping your clove in a washcloth, or alternately, keeping on the skin on while you sleep. Garlic contains oil that can stain your sheets if it gets crushed. Garlic is a fantastic boost to health, whether you sleep with it, eat it, or breathe it. There's no reason not to do all 3. But hundreds of years of use as a sleep aid certainly speaks to its unique ability to settle both body and brain and improve the quality of your slumber. You should definitely try garlic under your pillow before resorting to dangerous chemical sleep aids, which have been shown to trap you into dependence on them. And even though you get knocked out, the quality of your sleep is not good under the influence of these drugs. Garlic is cheap, easy, and it works with 0 side effects. Sweet dreams.